Well, hello, my beautiful YouTube family. Told you we'd be back. And also, we're in the shop. I haven't built anything to completion in so long. It feels so nice to just like spend the day building two different things. First things first, we're actually going to be building something that Hannah sent me. Love you, Hannah. She sent me this like little baby brooder, chicken brooder out of an old school, and I've had this for forever. And oddly, the gentleman cut this front piece out, but mine has been out, and I'm like, it screams baby chickens. So we're gonna go ahead and build this. I also think this DIY is like a fabulous, I'll link the original creator too, like I am not taking credit for this, but honestly I think this is a great DIY if you were to have a spool. I mean, regardless, you can find one, but I think it's a great and very cute DIY. I love the fact that I can also throw this into the chicken coop, either one. It fits in there to keep the babies safe once they get a little bit bigger, and they can also like interact safely because, like I said, the Rhode Island Fighting Reds are rude. The other two babies that I have that we just built a coop to yesterday are very sweet. So I want a loving coop, and the other one can be sassy if they want. Anyways, I digress. The baby chicks are in a kennel right now inside, just so I can keep an eye on them. And I think it'd be really lovely to like perch them up onto something high, keep them inside still, but be able to see them, a 360, if you will. So let's just get started. Really all you need is like, I think 2x2s, some chicken wire, a stapler, and a drill and a saw, and I'll walk you through it. It's going to be, hopefully, I say it's going to be easy. Watch. And then the second thing we're doing is for humans, which is a floating bench made out of 2x4s, and you're only using 3 tools to complete something that makes a huge impact in a space. So let's get started and have some animal fun and then some human fun. Love you guys. I don't need to tell you how much I love my animals. Specifically, my dogs are my family, they're my life, and I am not going to feed them anything less than what they deserve, which I have had them on a raw diet for quite some time now. Callie was on a raw diet her whole entire life. Maeve is the first and only human-grade protein-rich raw food diet made with real ingredients you can see and name just by looking in. You can build a profile for your dog right on their site, and they'll suggest the amount of food that you need, or you can customize it for yourself. For my Silver Lab Blaze, he's a little bit fluffy, on the fluffy side of things, and I switched him over to the weight indigestion that they have, and he's not complaining, you know, and specifically heading into the warmer temperatures over here, having a frozen food for these dogs is just like a chef's kiss. As for humans, if you are eating better, you feel better, your skin, your hair, your nails, they all look better. Same with animals. Switching them over to Maeve, astronomical difference in my dogs. Maeve doesn't just have dog food, they have dog supplement bars, they have human grade freeze-dried treats, which my boys absolutely lose their minds over, and it just makes training so much more fun for them, and you're just feeding them the best that you can. So I kind of just get their whole line. I want the best not only for my animals, but yours too. I truly am such a huge fan of Maeve. If you guys want to check it out yourself, go ahead and click the link in the description box. Thank you so much, Maeve, for sponsoring today's episode, and just keeping my boys on point.